Happy Wednesday. A long time no see. It has been a long time since I've done a vlog. Well, to me it's been a long time. I last did a vlog in May and that was for my birthday, but since then I have only posted a bunch of YouTube shorts and I posted 2 business videos, but I haven't done a what I eat in a day, and I haven't taken you guys to the gym with me in a while, and so I decided that I wanted to do that in today's video. Since I have gone plant-based, or mostly plant-based, I think that's back in February or March, I have lost 13 pounds. And so since I've seen some growth and I've been able to remain consistent, I kind of wanted to update you guys on that and show you guys what I do now. Quick disclaimer, I am not a personal trainer, nor am I a nutritionist. So if you do decide to go on a weight loss journey, make sure that you consult a professional first. I did just want to hop on here real quick and say hi, because I do have to get back to work, but I just want to hop on here and say hi, and I will see you guys at the gym.
happy Monday. I wanted to just give a quick disclaimer about Wednesday's video and today's video. There's a reason why there's a really big jump, and that was because Wednesday I did not like the footage that I got. I did like it, but I didn't get enough footage, and so I wanted to get a little bit more. So that is why I decided to film today's workout as well. I didn't go to the gym on Thursday and Friday, so I wasn't able to film anything. So of course I filmed today's workout and then also filmed what I ate today. Wednesday's dinner I did not cook. My sister cooked that, and that's why you guys didn't see me cook it, but it was just kale, and it was cabbage, carrots, and fried oyster mushrooms. I don't always eat super healthy. It is mostly plant-based, but I don't cheat myself. If I want candy, if I want something sweet, or I want fried food, I will have it, and that's probably the reason why I haven't lost the weight that I was supposed to lose yet. But that's okay. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys about that. And so I'm gonna end today's video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this vlog, thank you so much. And also, I need you to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure you click the bell so you get notified every single time I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.